Welcome to Family Squad, the collaborative game that brings families closer, creating lifelong memories. Let's embark on a fun and magical adventure. Write the name of your family squad on the board. To win in Family Squad, players share a common goal: complete their perfect weekend. Let's play. Each player chooses a token and places it at the start position on the game board. Shuffle the family pillar cards, orange cards, and distribute 4 cards to each player. Make sure the family pillars are facing up for everyone to see. Place the decks of cards pink, purple, and orange face down in their designated spaces. Roll the dice to determine the starting player. The player with the highest roll goes first. Set up ready. Now let's play. Player's turn. Players roll the dice and move the corresponding number of spaces. When a player lands on a pink box, they draw a pink card. There are 3 types of pink cards: questions, emotions, and challenges. Every time a pink challenge card is completed, the player who landed on the pink spot wins a family pillar card. After the activity has been played, place the used card on the discard board. The player who landed on a purple box draws a purple card. The chore or purple card specifies the number of players involved. Players involved in the chore can be on 2 or every player. Also, specify the number of family pillars or resources that need to be matched to complete the chore and the perfect weekend activities earned if the chore is completed. Example, in this scenario, 2 players need to match the required resources by choosing from their orange cards. If they succeed, they win activities to complete the perfect weekend. There are 3 possible scenarios. The chore is not completed because the resources are not enough, and players do not win perfect weekend activities. The chore is completed, so players win perfect weekend activities, but the resources are not perfectly optimized. Perfect match. The chore resources are matched perfectly, so players win perfect weekend activities and a family squad point. A family squad point is a reward for finding the best combination of resources. At the end of the game, it can be exchanged for a perfect weekend activities. After the chore has been played, place the used card on the discard board. If a player lands on a golden box number 17, they have the chance to claim a reward card randomly. When a player reaches the end box first, congratulations, they are the winner. They have the privilege of reading all the reward cards and choosing their favorite. If a player uses all their family pillar cards orange, they have 2 options to continue their journey. They can keep playing until they land on a pink box, complete the challenge, and draw a new family pillar card. But if a player lands on a purple box, they lose automatically and must return to their previous position before rolling the dice. Or a player can also donate a family pillar card to another who has none. To do this, the giving player selects the given card and rolls the dice, taking the number of steps back shown on the dice.
Family Squad is more than a game. It's a tool for you as a parent to connect with your family and experience real quality time together. So if it's needed, don't be strict on the rules or completing the chores. It's important, but the essence of Family Squad lies on the love and joy created through the game interactions. Be present, engage, and most importantly, have fun. Let me know what you think. Enjoy the experience. Ciao.